What's up, mamas? If you guys want to see how I got this beautiful jade blue hair, keep watching this video. So WowEbony sent me this 22-inch full lace wig, okay? It's already pre-plucked. The blonde is just beautiful, and it already has adjustable straps inside. This is what the box looks like. It's super professional, super cute. It came with extra adjustable straps and a wig cap. So instead of using the stocking, we're going to be using the wig cap today. So since we're watercoloring it, you definitely want to put a couple coats of blasting freeze spray on the lace, just in case we get any coloring on the lace. We don't want to do that, so the freeze spray definitely helps with that. And I probably won't wear the lace in the back, so I'm probably just going to cut that off. To color the hair, we're going to be using Jade by Adore. How ironic. And you're going to need a bowl and some steaming hot water. So I'm going to add both bottles in, and you want to make sure you mix it up very, very well, get all the clumps out. And I'm just using this brush. So when you're watercoloring the hair, you want to continuously move it around, submerge the hair all in the color. Any parts that you see that's light, just keep dipping and dunking it. And I actually let this sit in for about 5 minutes. So this is what this beauty looks like after just submerging for 5 minutes, guys. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now, I forgot to tell you guys, you're definitely going to have to bleach the knots. So I did this afterwards. You only have to bleach the knots because the roots are dark, okay? So that's the only reason why. But you want to wash it out with some conditioner so it doesn't lose its color. So after this, I'm about to pluck her just a little bit more, and then I'm going to blow dry her and then get straight into the styling. So to get these waves, I like to separate the hair on each row into 3 medium pieces, and then I straighten each piece as I go. After I straighten it, I like to take my hot comb at the root to make sure that everything is flat. And make sure you spray some type of holding spray. So after that, I like to spray some spritz and take the crimper and go all the way at the top and press down for 10 seconds. I got these from Sally's. They're called Ion. Now as you keep going along, you want to start the crimper where you ended, if that makes sense. So when you go on to the next part, go back up to the part where you ended at, just so that everything can blend together. I hope I'm making sense. And you want to make sure that you're crimping all the way to the very, 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 very end, okay, guys? So now I'm just taking apart all the crimps with my fingers very, very lightly with a little bit of oil. So this is how it looks when it's done. So I'm using the wig cap that they gave me. I just sprayed it with some freeze spray and let it dry. Now I'm just cutting off the excess material so that we can have a nice smooth foundation before we put the wig on. And actually, guys, I didn't do a really good job cutting this today. I don't know why, but don't worry, we'll fix that. Now you could wear this as glueless because it has a strap, but I just like to glue mine down. So now I'm just taking the wig and, you know, adjusting everything. And tucking that down. Well, I'm going to have to cut that piece of cap in the back. But basically I'm just taking the wig and putting the hair back so that I can cut the lace and align it with my hairline. Now guys, I have a really tricky hairline. Anybody that has ever done my hair always says that. So I kind of messed up on the left side. I cut the lace back too far, so you may see it lifting a little bit in this video. That's why I try to cover it up a little bit, but I'm still learning, you guys. I'm just basically showing you guys how I do this as I'm learning. And you definitely want to make sure that you cut out your ears. That's another part that I struggle with doing as well, but like I said, my hairline is really weird, so it takes me a little bit longer to adjust everything and get it right. But with practice, I know we will get this right, ladies. So don't forget to cut the lace in the back. I actually did that part off camera because I'm not going to be wearing it up. But you could definitely wear this hairstyle up if you like in a full ponytail, if you want to put glue in the back of your head. But I don't feel comfortable doing that. Bitch, this shit is about to be popping. Excuse that hair on my lip. But y'all already know what we do. We like to spray the Sally Hansen spray on the wig. No, on the wig cap. Just to make it look a little bit more natural. Like, I'm telling y'all, this step really makes a big difference. So using a popsicle stick that I got from the hair store, I'm just going to be applying a few light layers of the boho. I was going to say ghost spine, but I used boho. And I like to put it on the cap a little bit and a little bit before my forehead. So yeah. And actually guys, that's another thing I'm trying to learn right now. I feel like every time I do my hair, you always see the glue. So you definitely could see the glue a little bit on the left side when I applied it, but disregard that part. I like to do mine in 3 steps and air dry it. So I'm just about to bring the front back. I like to do the front first because it's easier for me, and then I glue down the other sides one by one. But honey, she is melting, okay? She looks good. So then I just take the back of a comb and I just like to press down. I should have actually pulled it up just a little bit more. So now that she's all glued down, I'm just going to part a small row in the front to get ready for them baby hairs. Now remember guys, I told you on the left side you can see the glue a little bit, so don't be commenting and talking shit because I already know, okay? So I'm going to spray some freeze spray to start my ponytail. I love this stuff. And like I told y'all, I'm really learning how to do my hair, okay? So don't be too harsh on me. I'm just learning. I'm not the best yet, but I really enjoy doing my own hair. But the freeze spray definitely gets the ponytail nice and smooth and keeps it in hugs, okay? So to cover the rubber band, you're going to take a small piece of hair and wrap it all the way around. Just wrap it all the way around. Wrapping. As y'all can see, I was waist training. I got tired. Couldn't fucking breathe while I was doing this shit. And that very last piece, you want to take some freeze spray and spray it all around. And literally, guys, it'll stay just like that. Perfect. See? There you go. So, y'all know I'm still learning how to do the baby hairs as well. So, I'm just taking this razor. I actually got better with doing my baby hairs in this video. That front part, y'all, looks so good. Like, look how that's melted. I just need to work on my sides and my sideburns. But that shit looks amazing. So I'm using this touchdown edge control. Guys, they sent me 6 flavors. It smells so good, okay? And it definitely lays the hair down. I'm telling you, it lays the hair down. I haven't tried it on my real hair yet, but I love the way it lays with wigs. It's just perfect. And it doesn't make it look too hard or crunchy. So I'm just adjusting the baby hairs. I have a few long pieces and I didn't want it to go into my ponytail, so I just cut it. So I'm just adjusting the baby hairs a little bit more. And a bitch is done. Make sure if you guys like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. All details on this hair will be in the description box. Bye. Love you guys.